Liam Delap can't just stop scoring. This young man, young talented striker, can't just stop scoring. Delap scored his first hat-trick in Chelsea shirt. He can't just stop scoring. 30 million release clause just to pay for this young talented striker. Now he is scoring goals for fun. For fun. Liam Delap is a scoring machine. Delap is a scoring machine. He is scoring. Nicola Jackson is scoring. He is scoring. Jackson is scoring. These two talented strikers for Chelsea can't just stop scoring. Ladies and gentlemen, official, done and dusted. Chelsea completed the signing of Liam Delap. Now, Liam Delap is Chelsea player. Official. Now, Delap blood is blue, guys. Delap joined Chelsea. Yes. Welcome to Chelsea Football Club. Liam Delap. Welcome to the Pride of London. Welcome to the best team in the world. Welcome to the only team who won all the major European trophies in world football. Liam Delap. You are welcome, Liam Delap. In fact, guys, Delap said I should tell you that he is coming to Chelsea to win trophies. He is coming to win trophies and he is joining Chelsea to win trophies. That I should tell you that we should be ready. He wants to send Chelsea to where Chelsea belong. He wants to send Chelsea back to the top where we belong and not Conference League or Europa League. Chelsea belong to winning Champions League, winning Premier League. And Liam Delap said, I should tell you that he's coming to send Chelsea to that promised land. Guys, Delap said he is coming to win trophies. And the last player or the last striker Chelsea signed who said this at the end of the day won the trophy he really meant. I'm telling you, when Chelsea signed Timo Werner, I can still remember the year Chelsea landed Timo Werner. Timo said he's coming to win the Champions League trophy. At the end of the day, he won it. Up to now, Arsenal haven't even played Champions League final again. The time Timo Werner came to Chelsea and said that I'm going to win the Champions League, at the end of the day, he won it. Up to that date, Arsenal didn't even reach Champions League final. I want to talk of winning it. So guys, now another striker who joined Chelsea just said that he is coming to win trophies. I can't wait. I can't wait to see that kind of trophies Delap will win. And I am seeing it coming next season. Chelsea may win the Premier League. Next season, Chelsea is winning the Premier League, ladies and gentlemen. Delap is coming to win Champions League. Now, guys, Delap joined Chelsea, 6 years contract. And Chelsea want him to play the club tournament. But as we are speaking now, yes, Chelsea is working on it because it may look like he will join the under 21, yes, to play international friendlies. So Chelsea is working on it for him to play the Club World Cup. So it hasn't yet confirmed. So he may play or he may not. But as we are speaking now, he is now a blue. As we are seeing his pictures on the screens, Delap is now Chelsea player, 6 years contract. Yes. So guys, that is the information for Liam Delap. And let's come to the new goalkeeper Chelsea to sign, guys. But before I go there, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Guys, Chelsea wanted to sell Didier Petrovic and Robert Sanchez and to replace them with Maignan, AC Milan goalkeeper, France international. And initially, Chelsea sent 10 million to sign him, but AC Milan rejected that. AC Milan said their goalkeeper is one of the best goalkeepers in the world, so they are not selling him 10 million. He values more than 10 million. AC Milan said that they value Maignan 25 million to 30 million, in which Chelsea submitted 10 million. They rejected that. Then Chelsea came back and said they believe or trust on their 4 goalkeepers, Didier Petrovic, Robert Sanchez, Jorgensen, and Maignan. For that matter, they are giving AC Milan till Monday. If they don't respond to the 10 million, then they will withdraw the offer. Chelsea said they can't wait more than Monday, yes, to hear from AC Milan. If not, they will not come for Maignan again. And as I said already, AC Milan also informed Chelsea they value their player and they consider their goalkeeper to be one of the best goalkeepers in the world. So no way they are selling him 10 million. Now, as we are speaking, Chelsea submitted another 10 million, making it 20 million. But still, AC Milan stand, yes, on their 25 million to 30 million for their goalkeeper. So information said that as we are speaking now, Chelsea and AC Milan will have a meeting to discuss about that fee. Now, Maignan wants to join Chelsea. Personal terms is not an issue, just that the fee is the difference this year. Chelsea want to pay 20 million as we are speaking now, and AC Milan want 25 million or 30 million for their goalkeeper. So a meeting will held between AC Milan and Chelsea about the fee, guys. So that is the latest information or the transfer information for Mike Maignan. But guys, the issue is that as Chelsea fans, whether Chelsea is signing Maignan or not, we can't see Robert Sanchez to be our goalkeeper next season. That is the issue here. That is the most important message Chelsea fans we are sending to Todd Bowley, the owners. Whether they are paying the money to sign Maignan or they are not paying the money to sign Maignan, Chelsea fans, we can't just see Robert Sanchez to be our goalkeeper next season. That is the issue or the information from we the Chelsea fans. Whether we are signing Donnarumma, we are signing Soma, we are signing Alisson, Sanchez cannot be my goalkeeper next season. Me, Chelsea fan, Mohamed Suleiman and Richmond bin Daoud. Me, Sanchez can never be my goalkeeper. Next season, I'm winning the Champions League. Sanchez can send me to that promised land. Next season, I'm winning the Premier League. Sanchez cannot send me there. Sanchez, Chelsea should sell him. Chelsea should reduce the price. Chelsea should do everything that they can do to let this man go and leave our club alone. Chelsea is a title contender team, not a title pretender team like Manchester United or Arsenal. See guys, for me, as I said, I can't just see Sanchez to be my goalkeeper. So if Chelsea will sign Maignan, maybe Jorgensen being our second goalkeeper or Petrovic being our second goalkeeper, and maybe McPenders on loan. But Sanchez, even being among our goalkeepers next season. Because see, the way Maresca likes Sanchez, is personal personal thing from Maresca. The way Maresca prefers Sanchez, let me put it that way. The way Maresca prefers Sanchez. See, if Sanchez stay in this Chelsea team, even if Chelsea sign a goalkeeper, it will be hard. Unless that goalkeeper just come and prove it to the world, everybody that he deserves to be number one. But if that goalkeeper come and things are still shivering 50-50, Maresca will bring Sanchez back. I'm telling you. So this is why we don't even want to see Sanchez being among the goalkeepers. And the reason Chelsea is paying this money is that Maignan left with 1 year on his contract. So if Milan don't sell him this season, guys, next season he will be leaving for free. So Chelsea knew all this. So Chelsea value him as next season when he is leaving. Next season, if Maignan will be leaving, his market value will be 10 million. The market value will be 10 million. So Chelsea consider him or look at him that way as next season he will be leaving. So that is why Chelsea is pushing, because Chelsea know that if AC Milan doesn't get something from him this summer, next summer, they won't get any fee. Yes, technically, they won't get any fee. He will leave him for free. So that is why Chelsea want to sign him this fee, or Chelsea submitted that fee 10 million. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion and your thought about Chelsea signing a new goalkeeper. Do you think Chelsea should pay that fee? And let's come to another transfer, guys. In fact, Mohamed Kudus to Chelsea. In fact, I can still remember last 2 seasons when Chelsea was to sign Cole Palmer. Yes, it was between Cole Palmer and Kudus. Yes, when he was at Ajax before he even went to West Ham. And now, guys, information came that Chelsea want to sign Mo Kudus, as a winger, one of those wingers Chelsea interested. And Kudus has a release clause of 85 million for all Premier League teams. 85 million. Chelsea wanted to sign Kudus plus a player. Cash plus a player. But still rejected that also and said Chelsea should bring the 85 million they are asking for. They don't want Chelsea to include any player in that deal. Guys, that is the information, or that is holding the deal as of now. Chelsea want to sign him. Kudus would like to come to Chelsea. Kudus is a Chelsea fan since infancy. I don't know why recently this our Chelsea team, our new owners, like they are bringing players' dreams to an end. I think except Cancelo. Yes. So far, all the players who wanted to play for Chelsea being, yes, their dreamland, Sancho and co, Osimhen and co, Kudus and co, because of this wage cap, what, all these players are missing their dreams. Yes, Olise and co, all these players, they were Chelsea fans, and they wanted to play for Chelsea. But because of this wage cap, and greedy from this hour, I don't understand. Kudus started supporting Chelsea since he was 1 year old. Since he was in his mother womb, Kudus started supporting Chelsea. So now he wants to join Chelsea. Fee is an issue. Fee is a major big issue here. So guys, Mohamed Kudus to Chelsea, yes or no? Because for me, see, I'm bringing Kudus to Chelsea all day. I am bringing Mohamed Kudus to Chelsea all day. The baller, the dribbler, yes, the talented footballer, the talented winger. In fact, Kudus at Ajax, I am paying 100 million for him. Kudus at Ajax, when he was at Ajax, that season, I will pay 100 million for Kudus. But guys, this season, to be honest, Kudus didn't have a nice campaign. No. Kudus, no. Last season or this season, Kudus' form is not attractive for any team to pay 85 million. I'm bringing Kudus to Chelsea, but the fee is too exorbitant. I know some time ago, as I said, I will pay that money. But this time around, no. Last season, he performed well, but this season, we didn't. And that is football. That is how the game works. Season. It's about form. It's about performance. It's about how you can play the time that they are assigning you. Your form, yes. Your technical abilities, your numbers. That will show your fee. So the 85 million for me, I think, is the problem here. I'm not saying Kudus doesn't deserve, but when you look at his performance this season, 85 million is too high. At least 45 million or 15 million for Kudus. But as I said, I'm bringing Kudus to Chelsea to continue giving that assist to Liam Delap, to continue giving that assist, yes, to Nicolas Jackson. Imagine having Cole Palmer and Kudus in this Chelsea team. Who can stop Chelsea? Who can stop? Mention any team that can stop Chelsea. PSG, mention Inter Milan, mention any team, Real Madrid, because all of these teams I see they can come near to like stopping Chelsea. Won't come to Arsenal, Manchester United, Liverpool, and co. They can stop us. Having more Kudus, having Mohamed Kudus, and having Cole Palmer, nobody is stopping Chelsea. So for me, I'm bringing Mohamed Kudus to Chelsea, but West Ham should calm down. They should calm down small. They should lower the fee. We are coming back. Yes. So guys, Kudus to Chelsea is eminent. Yes. But the fee is an issue. And this summer, our owners are not willing to spend exorbitant fee because of the PSRO. That is why they are paying that 10 million, 20 million to sign Maignan. Yes. So this summer, they are not willing to pay any higher fee. They wanted to sign Eketeke, but they said 18 million. They came back and signed Delap 30 million. So as fans, we shouldn't expect a lot of spending from our owners this season, guys. It won't happen. But at the end of the day, let's hope Chelsea go and bring us the right players. That matters, and that is important. So, guys, Kudus to Chelsea. Should Chelsea pay the 85 million, or do you think it's another higher fee? And let's move to, yes, Victor Osimhen to Al-Hilal. Chelsea target a striker Chelsea interested to sign. Now, information came that he may go to Al-Hilal. Yes, Al-Hilal submitted their former buy to Osimhen. As we are speaking now, they are doing the discussion, but Al-Hilal gave them a timeline, yes, from 1st June to 10th June. They want to hear from Osimhen. So now it means that Osimhen coming to Chelsea may not happen. Yes, things hasn't finished, but it is looking like that way. And guys, that is the game. That is football. Yes, some days you sign players you want, some days you don't get what you want. That is life, and that is the game. That is football. So whether Osimhen come to Chelsea, Osimhen doesn't come to Chelsea, guys, we are Chelsea. Chelsea is Chelsea. We move on. But just that, we wanted to put Chelsea in the right position to be that elite team as we used to know Chelsea. We wanted Chelsea to continue or start competing again as we knew our Chelsea, as Chelsea was when some of us started supporting Chelsea. And before a team can go back to that elite level, can compete, you need strikers like Victor Osimhen. You need goal-scoring strikers, proven strikers like Victor Osimhen. And for me, up to now, I still stand that Osimhen should not reduce the wages unless it is his decision. But when it comes to Osimhen's abilities, what he can do, Osimhen deserves everything he is asking for. The wages, Osimhen deserves it. So if Chelsea can pay it and Osimhen will reduce it, that means the transfer can happen. Good luck to Osimhen. We are wishing him all the best. And the same as we are wishing our Chelsea all the best. Osimhen go to Al-Hilal. We sign Delap. Let's hope he come and perform. Let's hope Nicolas Jackson improve. I heard Chelsea will bring another striker. Let's hope the striker Chelsea will bring will also come and give Chelsea something, improve. But guys, whether Osimhen come to Chelsea, Osimhen doesn't come to Chelsea, we shall see. And let's hope our strikers improve. Because some of us, forget. Before you can compete, you need this kind of players. There is a reason why Real Madrid is competing. They have Vinicius. They have Mbappe. Yes, they have that kind of elite players. Yes, that kind of players who can do it at the highest level. Bellingham and co. Yes, Modric now leaving. Toni Kroos was there. You need those kind of players. Go to City. Haaland and co. De Bruyne just left. Bernardo Silva and co. Look at their squad. It's a balanced squad. Doku young players and co. You see, but come to my Chelsea. Madueke, Neto, and who? Sancho left. Now we only have two wingers. Oh, Neto, Madueke, Modric is off. Cole Palmer, and who? Another winger. So guys, see, we need more players. We need more experienced players. We need more squad depth. So that is why some of us wanted Chelsea to sign Osimhen. But now information said that he may move to Al-Hilal. We are wishing him all the best. And Chelsea will move on. So guys, that is the information for Victor Osimhen. Yes, now it looks like he may move to what? Saudi Al-Hilal. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about all the transfer news we'll discuss in this video. And if anything happen again, whether Chelsea will sign Maignan or the deal will not happen, what. If anything happen again in Chelsea camp, I will update you. So please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. By the way, guys, as we are Chelsea fans, we are also football fans. For that matter, we created a second channel for these football lions. And that second channel name is called Football Lions Extra. And in that channel, we'll be talking about all football related issues, all football related transfer news, everything about football. Whether Manchester United, Arsenal, the Butlers, whether Liverpool, whether La Liga, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Atlético Madrid, anything concerning football, including Chelsea. So that channel is there called Football Lions Extra. So please go and subscribe to that channel. And on this channel, nothing will change. The podcast will be coming and the head talks will be coming, the transfer news. But this channel will be for Chelsea and Chelsea alone. But that channel will be for all football related information, all football related news. So please go and subscribe to that channel. Let's reach the 1,000 subscribers mark before this transfer window close. Take care. Peace.